This one was different. That was a quick trip to Toronto, but here were a plan to shoot too many moments for a several 1-minute real estate reel for a realtor at a pre-construction site. Time limited, pressure high, but creativity always on. The location was raw, a real demo of a shiny future. But in real estate, even empty space can sell a dream. While my friend highlighted the project's key features, location, investment value, future facilities, I focused on keeping it cinematic, clean, and on brand for Instagram. We didn't have a full script ready, so we created on the spot, just enough to introduce the project clearly, hook viewers fast, and end with a call to action. In short-form videos, every second counts. Back at my desk, I had one job: turn these rough clips into a polished, scroll-stopping reel. I started with a hook, a tight shot, confident voice, and upbeat background track to set the tone. The raw side looked cold, so I warmed it up with golden tones and high contrast. Think under construction, but make it investment ready. From demo site to cinematic reel in just a few hours. Simple shoot, quick script, bold edit. This is the kind of realtor's content need to stop the screw.
You don't have to pay for everything out there, like the lawyer fees for land transfer. There's a cap at $5,000. Meet me on the floor tonight. In this lovely project, you have the opportunity to save $6,500 for the 5 pieces of the appliances that the Kaiwan brings to your place. In detached properties that we have here with Kaiwan, you have the opportunity to choose what kind of material you want for your exterior design. There's a lot of options. You can go for something more traditional, which is great if you want to have something more fancy, more modern. If you have any question regarding any pre-construction site here in GTA, please feel free to call or text me anytime.
If you're a business owner or a realtor looking to turn your space into a story, hit me up. This is what I do. And if you want more behind the scene content just like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.